Hi everyone, today we are solving third question of SQL 50 series. The question name is big countries. Let's see the question then write the query. So the table name is world. The column names are given name, continent, area, population and GDP. Now the types are also given. Name and continent have type varchar, and for population and area it is int, and for GDP it is big int. Name is a primary key column with unique values for this table. Now the definition of big country is also given, and we have to find the name, population and area of big countries. So the definition of big country is it has an area of at least 3 million or it has a population of at least 25 million. So we have to find the name, population and area of the big countries. You can see in the world table, name, continent, area, population and GDP are given. We have to fetch name, population and area from the world table. So let's write the query. Whenever you have to fetch any details from the table, you need to write select command. Select name, population, area from the table name is world, and we have to write the condition in where clause. Where area, it is given that area of the country should be at least 3 million, right? And between these condition or is given, so we have to write or. And population should also greater than or equals to 25 million. Let's run the query. So it is accepted. Let's submit it. So yeah, it is submitted. Thank you for watching this video.